Hi, I'm Sandy Sandler, the creator of the Bowdabra Bow Maker. Today I'm going to show you how to make this beautiful big red bow using 5-inch wide ribbon and the Bowdabra. So let's get started. The first thing I'm going to do is take my Bowdabra bow wire. I'm going to fold it in half, lay it into my Bowdabra, and just tuck the ends underneath. Then I have this piece of ribbon, which is about 1.5 yards. I've already dovetailed the ends. So all I'm going to do here is just fold it in half and just lay it down because this is going to be my tails. So then I have another piece of the same red ribbon and I'm just going to twist it and bring it back and forth. And normally you would want to make sure that the right side of the ribbon is on the inside of the loop. But here I don't really have to worry because I'm just going to fold and twist. And I believe this ribbon is the same on both sides. I like to twist when I'm making a really big bow. So we're just going to fold this back, twist it, and lay it into the Bowdabra. And I just want to make sure my loops are pretty much the same size. So we're just going to twist it, fold it into the Bowdabra, and then I'm going to fold it back and twist it and just fold it back. Now I'm using a 5-inch wide ribbon here, but you could make the bow exactly the same with a 2.5-inch wide. So now here I'm going to just bring this time I'm not going to twist it, just scrunch that in, and then I'm just going to take this little piece of ribbon here and I'm just going to twist it around, and that's going to be my button loop or floral loop, depending on how you call it. So now I'm just going to scrunch everything here. So I have a perfect 6-loop bow plus the button loop. And push this in here, pull it tight while it's still in the Bowdabra, pull it out. I'm going to separate the ends and bring it around to the back. And I'm going to tie a knot and tie another knot. So this is the third bow in our series of how to make different kinds of bows with the Bowdabra. Now I would leave this on here, but what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to bring my little center loop back over here, and I'm going to clip this little piece of ribbon here because I don't need it. And then all I'm going to do is just pull my loops apart. And this is a wired ribbon, so I can shape it. I like working with the wired ribbon because it kind of lets me shape the loops the way that I want them. And when you're done, you have this absolutely beautiful big red bow.